Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love to it. I'm really glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your extended love reading for the month of June. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope I help you out in some manner, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here, Aquarius. So now let's see what are the extended love messages. What is the extended love reading for the month of June for Aquarius? I have already got the main energy for you here, Aquarius. So right now your guards are up, your self defensive mode is on. Okay, there is someone who broke your heart here, they put you in a third party situation. Now they're coming towards you with a lot of love here. Okay, so now let's see what is the energy here which I'm getting here for you. So you are dealing with someone who is having a soul connection with you. Okay, this is not a normal relationship. Maybe this is your soulmate. Okay, or this is your twin flame, the king of cups and the queen of cups, which is here I am having. Okay, so this is someone who is your soulmate. Now you're getting success. Okay, you went through some kind of heartbreak here with the three of swords, but you are resting and you are rejuvenating yourself. You're doing your healing. Okay, whatever pain was there, whatever heartbreak, heart loss, okay, heartache, what was there, you are healing from that. You're doing your healing. Now you're getting the success here from that healing. You're moving in a forward direction and you're enjoying your singlehood with the nine of pentacles. You know that you are single, happy, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. But there is someone who is spending sleepless nights, who cannot sleep at night. Okay, they want to come towards you here. Why they want to come towards you? To offer you a cup which is full of emotions. Okay, they want to offer you a cup which is full of emotions, the ace of cups, emotional fulfillment. But they are in a fear of rejection. They think that you're going to reject that offer. Okay, you will not going to accept that cup. Okay, so they're feeling the fear of rejection, and because of that they are going through in a hermit mode right now. They're not doing anything, they're feeling like an hangman. They're doing the soul searching, they're looking the answers, that how to approach Aquarius, what the soul wants. Either this person is married with you here, Aquarius, with the Hierophant, or you are committed to this person for long period of time. Okay, so this is someone with whom you have already relationship, okay, in the past. This person broke your heart, they put you in a third party situation, they took you for granted. That's the message I'm getting here. So now they want you here, Aquarius, they're looking towards you. Can you see how this king of cups is looking this girl? So this is someone who is having lot of emotions right now. They're running, they are in their emotions, and they're looking towards you about Aquarius, that where is my Aquarius, I want my Aquarius. And they are deciding here with the two of wands. They're deciding, they want you basically. So new happy beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. That's beautiful reading. Okay, this is the sun, this is the happiest card in the tarot deck. So new happy beginnings in your love life is coming for you. You're completing a cycle with this person with the world card, which I told you in your main general reading. And this is someone with whom the divine is taking care of this relationship. Can you see in in these cards? Okay, there is an angelic protection for this guidance. The two of cups, the lovers. So you are the love from many past lives. You both have spent many past lives together. So now let's start your reading and let's see what is the clarification of this deck, of this reading. Okay, the reading is very clear for me, but let's start. Let's see. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to clarify this reading. Help me out to deliver the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver. So why there is three of swords here? Okay, clarify me three of swords. So for some of you, this person has already approached you here. Okay, Okay, you're doing your healing here, Aquarius, because of the confusion here, because this person was not having the clarity of thoughts. That's why this third party situation created. Someone was unclear here. Can you see? Bottom of the deck again, I'm having Four of Cups and the Five of Swords. So there were a lot of conflicts with this person, and this person did not accept your offer at that time because this person was not having. See, I just cut it out and I got the Five of Wands. So there was a lot of competition, the conflicts, okay, the drama, the fighting in this relationship, because this person was unaware about their own emotions here. But they promise you to give you the Two of Cups here. Can you see? Again the Two of Cups is coming. But they put you in a third party situation because they were having the confusion. But now you are resting, you are rejuvenating yourself, you are taking care of yourself, you are healing the broken heart. Can you see how this girl is sleeping and the broken heart is here and that is stitched? So you are doing your healing here from that heartbreak. And here I'm having the Judgment and the Hermit. So I'm not going to take these cards, but I'm going to tell you that you also went into hermit mode. You want judgment for your life. You want that. You were looking after this heartbreak, you went into hermit mode and you were looking the answers from within your soul, that what your soul wants. Okay, why there is Nine of Swords here? Clarify me, Nine of Swords. Clarify me, Nine of Swords. Why there is Nine of Swords? Three of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, King of Wands and the Knight of Wands. So this person is someone who has lot of options to choose. This is someone who cannot sit at one place, because can you see King of Wands and Knight of Wands is an energy of fire sign. Lot of fire is there in their chart. This person is someone who is very passionate, very attractive, who loves passion, okay? They're very attractive. They have they can't sit at one place. This is someone who is a player kind of energy. This can be a possibility, in and out energy. This is someone who loves to wear red color, okay? Maybe they have tattoos on hand. They love to wear necklace on necklace or chain, simple chain, or bracelets. Jeans and top they love to wear, okay? This is someone who is very fiery, and because of this nature they have a lot of options to choose. Because of that nature they are having confusion, okay? There was a third party situation. Because of that they were having confusion, they were not having the clarity. That's why they are spending sleepless nights, because they have a lot of options to choose. They're having the confusion here. Okay, so clarify me Four of Cups. Why there is Four of Cups here? Clarify Four of Cups. Nine of Cups, Page of Cups and the Fool. So you are the wish fulfillment for them, Aquarius, and that's the justice which is being served in your case. This is the karmic justice which is being served in your case. In your main reading I told you this person can approach you, okay, with the apology, with the sorry, Aquarius, and they want to take a leap of faith with you with the Fool card, because you are the wish fulfillment for them. But they are thinking that you're going to reject the offer, you will not accept the cup, but they want to take a leap of faith with you. Okay, clarify Queen of Cups. Queen of Swords, Ten of Pentacles and the Two of Pentacles. You want to create the Ten of Pentacles with this person. You want to create Ten of Pentacles with this person, but you were juggling a lot with the imbalance here. You were unable to create a balance. Maybe you were putting a lot of efforts in the relationship, and because of that you were unable to create that Ten of Pentacles with this person, but you want to create the Ten of Pentacles with this person, and you know this truth. Queen of Swords is someone who knows this truth. You want to create Ten of Pentacles, abundance of everything with this person. You want to spend your life with this person. Clarify Six of Wands. You are creating it, Aquarius. You are manifesting it. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the World card. You're completing a cycle. You're closing out a cycle here with this person. You are manifesting the success here in this relationship. You want success in this relationship. You do not want to lose this relationship. You are manifesting this. And this is your manifestation which is coming. Okay. Clarify Hierophant. Queen of Cups. Yeah, you also get spiritual growth after this relationship. Maybe you get your spiritual awakening. Okay. Maybe you get more intuitive than before. But you are manifesting it. Okay. You are committed with this person. Okay, bottom of the deck, I'm having Six of Swords. You will come towards the calmer waters with this person. You want this person in your life, basically. Clarify Hermit. Hermit is Queen of Wands. So this Hermit is your energy, Aquarius. You went into Hermit mode. After this breakup, after this heartbreak, after this third party situation, you went into Hermit mode. And this is your divine counterpart. Here I'm having the King of Wands and the Queen of Wands, both. One minute. Can you see? This is a divine pair. This is a power couple. King of Wands and the Queen of Wands. Both are here. Maybe you're feeling restricted. You are unable to move in a forward direction. Okay. You were thinking and contemplating a lot. Or you are overthinking a lot about this situation. And because of that, you went into Hermit mode. You were looking answers within yourself, within your soul, that what my soul wants. Clarify King of Cups. Please clarify the King of Cups. Before there was 1, 2, 3, 4 is the recording reading time. There was Queen of Pentacles which wants to come out. And here I'm having King of Pentacles and the Strength. So they are someone who is maybe financially stable, grounded. This person is someone who is, maybe there is an age difference between you and this person. This is someone who is financially grounded, stable, who knows how to manage their finances. And now they're gaining the strength to approach you here, Aquarius. I'm sorry, I'm can't able to sit. Okay, there is a pain. Okay, so this is someone who is keeping temperance. Can you see? And this is a divinely guided relationship. Again, the angel is here in this card too. So yes, this person is gaining the strength to approach you. Clarify me the star. Why there is star here? Your guards are up. Your self-defensive mode is on. 1331 was the recording reading time. Your guards are up. Can you see? This person is looking towards you and they want to approach you. They want to give you everything, but you're saying no. No. You are you are not available. That's the message you want to give to this person. You're saying that you cannot be in my aura. You are unavailable for this person. Your self-defensive mode is on. And because of that, this person is spending sleepless nights. Again, the 9 of Pentacles. 9 of Swords, sorry. You are in a 9 of Pentacles energy, right? Okay, clarify me 2 of Wands. Wow. They are deciding to give you the new happy beginnings. This is the Sun 2 times I'm getting here for you. They're deciding to give you a new happy beginnings in the life, in the love. They're deciding that. They want to start a new happy beginning with you here, Aquarius. That's beautiful. Clarify 4 of Swords. Why there is 4 of Swords here? You're keeping your temperance here, Aquarius. You're keeping your patience. You want equal amount of give and take. In the beginning only I told you, you want this relationship. You want to create 10 of pentacle with this person here. Can you see? I told you this, that you want to create 10 of pentacle with this person, but there was no balance in a situation. There was no equal amount of give and take. Okay, the imbalance was there, and now you are doing your healing. You want equal amount of give and take. My right ear is getting warm. Okay, it's getting hot. So yes, you want to give equal amount of give and take. Okay, you want equal amount of give and take. And can you see there is an infinite sign which is here at the background? Usually I don't read this card like this, but today I'm getting the energy of infinite sign. This is someone with whom you have past life connection with, and you will get success in getting that. You want equal amount of give and take with this person, you will get that. Okay, because the wheel of fortune is moving in your favor. Clarify me the sun. I told you, you are completing a cycle. You're going through with all pains, 10 of swords, and now you're closing out a cycle here. Okay, okay, clarify me the sun. Why there is sun here? Okay, it wants to come out. Okay, so lovers is here again. Okay, lovers is here again. Lovers, 8 of pentacles, 7 of swords, 5 of pentacles, 2 of wands, and the ace of swords. So this is someone, this person is someone who manipulate you in the past, who left you out in cold. This person gives you lies and cheating, manipulation, mind games, and they left you out in cold. You put lot of time, effort, energy, okay, in this relationship. Okay, you put lot of things in this relationship, and they know that, they have that clarity, they have this clarity, and now they're deciding it. They know that clarity. Okay, so whatever situation was happened in the past, that is going to end. The death and the rebirth, this is the new happy beginning which is going to start for you, Aquarius. This is a renewal of a connection, renewal of a relationship. That's what I'm getting here. Okay, that's the message I'm getting here for you. Clarify me 2 of cups. Do not hold back, Aquarius. I know you are holding back. Bottom of the deck again, I'm having King of Cups. You are holding back. You are standing straight and you're saying that no, I'm not going to give up. I'm standing straight. I'm not going to give my energy to this person. No, I'm not giving it. But this person is coming towards you. Maybe right now you are unable to see that with the Knight of Pentacles and the Knight of Cups. But because this is the slowest energy in the tarot deck, but they are coming towards you. Maybe in a slow pace, but they are coming towards you with a lot of love. Clarify me, lovers. Why there is lovers here? You will move forward in a forward direction with this person. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Emperor. Okay, so they are also going through with a lot of pain, heartbreaks, cycle completion, 10 of swords. You will move in a forward direction with your Emperor. The lovers, the Chariot, you will move in a forward direction. You know, see, 4 of wands. This is someone, 1111 card, twin flame card. This is someone who is your twin flame. And if it is not your twin flame, then it is your soulmate. But this is someone with whom you have a soul connection with. Okay, 4 of wands. Clarify Ace of Cups. Wow. Queen of Pentacles. They want to give you Ace of Cups. The King of Pentacles wants to give you Ace of Cups. I want to show you like this. Can you see? They want to give you a cup which is full of emotions. And this is again your divine counterpart here, Aquarius. I'm having here the King of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles. The King of Cups, the Queen of Cups. Both. 3 pairs I'm having here. only they don't have the King of Swords. So this person is don't know the truth. They are not in their air element, okay? But I'm having the three cards here. Three powerful couples here. The King of Wands and the Queen of Cups. Queen of Wands and the King of Wands here. Can you see? So that's beautiful. So you are dealing with someone with whom you are having a past life connection with. That's beautiful connection to be in. I know that journey is not easy, okay, but that journey is beautiful. New happy beginning. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck which is coming here for you. So now let's see what is the advice for you from the universe, from the divine. Please divine, give me the advice for Aquarius on this reading. What is the advice for Aquarius? Okay. Please give me the advice. Help me out to give the advice. King of Cups here again. Okay, so please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver. What is the advice for Aquarius for this reading? What is the advice? What is the advice for this reading? What is the advice for this reading? King of Pentacles. This person can be a businessman. Okay. Princess of Swords. Nine of Wands. Yes, you are standing straight and you're saying that no, I'm not going to give up. Maybe there was a lot of competition, fighting, drama with this person. The Tower is going to come. Okay, this is some unexpected changes which is going to come here. Two of Wands is here. See, Hierophant. This person is going to come in your life. They want to give you a commitment. They want to give you a marriage proposal. Ace of Wands. You ignite the passion in them. Okay, Nine of Pentacles. Right now, you are single, happy, abundant. You're working on yourself. Nine of Swords. And the King of Wands. So this person is unable to sleep at night. Six of Cups. This is someone from your past. This is a soulmate card for me, for everyone. Yeah, they are coming with a lot of love. This is a soulmate which is coming in your life from your past life. Six of Cups is someone who is coming in your life who has spent many past lives together. You both have history together. The Six of Cups. They're coming towards you to give you a commitment with the Ace of Pentacles. You will come towards the calmer waters here, Aquarius, with the Six of Swords. So that was the advice, that this is your soulmate. Okay. See again, the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands. Again a pair here for you. And here I'm having Ten of Pentacles. You will create abundance of everything with this person. And can you see here? The Queen of Swords and the King of Swords. This is your divine counterpart. This is your soulmate. This is someone who is your wish fulfillment. This is someone who is your twin flame. Okay, that can be a possibility here. Yes, you're completing a cycle. The World card is here. I told you, you're completing a cycle. The World is here. You're closing out a cycle which you need to complete. Okay, so this is what I'm having for you, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.